Every project we do is unique, but this one really does stand out. The project was the facade on the Aotea Centre, which involved a ribbon of louvers running around the perimeter of the building. The architectural intent was for something quite distinct and bold with a bit of complexity to the geometry and shape. It had to be lit at night to provide, the ultimate night shot. They also wanted to introduce movement into it. They were drawing inspiration from the movements of a dancer because, this is a theatre. It became apparent quite early on that really needed to be modular off-site construction with minimal on-site. There was a lot of unseen work went into it, particularly engineering the connections to the structure.
Insol were fantastic. They brought their design team, they brought engineering services, they brought a go-to attitude, and they worked with us to make sure that the client got what they wanted. We had issues with the weight because it was an existing roof. So Insol were engaged by the architect originally to input into the design, and they were engaged as a separate contractor to install the ribbon itself. Even though we experienced difficulties during this time of construction, Insol were able to keep the project moving through their manufacturing being off-site.
We had to prove that the building was strong enough, come up with a bespoke design of how it was going to be made off-site and shipped, lifted up, fitted and then pivoted over.
We devised a pivoting mechanism where we connected the louvers to it in a rotated back position so that we could transport it and crane it easily. They were jockeyed into position on the roof, bolted down to their support points, and then winched into their final position, and the bracing bolted off.
I would use Insol again. They were easier to deal with, they were on time, they came up with solutions when we had problems. They were fantastic to deal with. I'd happily deal with them again.